I'd like to show you my vision for what you could do with an iGoogle page for both students and teachers. Here I created what I think is a really good example of a student page. The most important thing is links to each of the students' classes, and you can see those here: biology, health, social studies, French, phys ed, algebra 1, English. These are directly linked to the class pages, and if you expand them, you see the homework assignments that teachers have posted, so students would have easy access to that. Over here we have a Google Calendar, which each teacher would use to put in due dates and then also school events. So today you can see the Sadie Hawkins dances tonight, so students can see at a glance what's coming up. Date and time right here, and then just some other things I think students would be most likely to add, such as a YouTube box where you can search YouTube directly from your iGoogle page and watch videos. Facebook gadget, very important that kids stay in touch with their friends right here. That's pretty much it. You can add a lot of other stuff: games, other social gadgets, links to various web 2.0 resources. So this is kind of a interesting example of what I would think a good student page would look like. I'm going to show you a teacher page. I just created a new tab. Obviously these wouldn't be in the same iGoogle page. If I were a teacher, I'd probably want my Twitter feed. I can access and send tweets directly from my iGoogle page here. This is my Google Reader, so blogs that I follow would feed into here, and I've got a separate blog right here. I've got my email inbox right here, and probably would want to move that up top so I can look at my incoming messages directly from one place. Then I've got links to various Google services. This is really neat over here. This box, these are the comments made in a discussion post, a discussion board on my wiki. So right from here I can tell when my students comment, when they create their assignment, finish it, and I can read right here, could even grade it. I can minimize that. And I've got my Google Docs for quick access. I can edit those when I need to, even do my grade book and attendance right in here. So this kind of gives you a glimpse of some of the neat things that you could do with your Google page, both as a student and as a teacher. I want to show you something I just discovered actually. If your school wants to implement a student iGoogle page, maybe in place of a planner or in addition to a planner, I found out that if you as a teacher were to create kind of the template for the page, and you go over here to the tab and click this pull down and say share, you could actually put in the email address of all of your students and send this to them, and they would have this template to work off of. They could customize it if they want, but at the very least they would have these gadgets that you put in. So that's kind of a neat thing, that you could have a uniform, almost student planner page custom created for all of your students with a click of a button. It would be really, really easy to do. It would work great with Google Apps if you have access to that in your school. So this is iGoogle. I hope you enjoy.